In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp for task management. So there are various ways on how to use ClickUp for task management. So let's try to click a team space here as shown on the screen. So on the list view, you can see all of the tasks, their due dates, priorities, the assignees, and the team included in this team space. So that's one way of managing the tasks on ClickUp. There is another one. It is looking at the Gantt view. Here it is. So in the Gantt view, you can also monitor the tasks. How is it going, the priorities, and the like. Also, you can take a look at your dashboards as well. Click which dashboard you'd like to see. There you go. And there you can see all of the things that are still in progress, completed, and unassigned tasks. There are also tasks completed here, and total tasks by assignee, open tasks by assignee, and the like. You can see everything here in the dashboard. That's about it. That's how you can monitor your tasks on ClickUp. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.